Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Django and GraphQL Volleyball app. It's been a while since we last worked on that, so a lot of packages went out of date. So I thought that maybe it would be a good idea to just try to upgrade them all to the latest versions, as it's always good to be up to date with them all. So let's do it. The first thing we want to upgrade is our Python version. At the moment we're on Python 3.7, so let's do 3.8 now. And let's go to the requirements, and I have a plugin installed in PyCharm that tells me that they might be out of date. So let's start from the top. Django is in 3.11, so let's say we want to be at Django less than 3.2, which should be okay for now. And for the rest of them, I already found them on PyPy, so we can just see what the latest versions are. Let's do Graphene first. It's 2.1.8 Graphene, so I guess we're okay with that. Nothing's changed really. And then Graphene Django is 2.13. and we're on 2.3, so let's hit less than 2.14 and close that tab. Then Django extensions is on 3.0.8 and we're on 2.1.4, so it's a little, so let's do this maybe less than 3.1, I guess, should be okay. And Graphene Django extras 0.4.9. Let's do maybe less than 0.5. Okay, let's save it, go to terminal. Okay. And now I guess we can do, as you remember from the previous videos, we can do docker compose. If you want to run, actually no, we want to build it from scratch. So that will basically just build the whole project again with the latest. We could also upgrade Postgres to the latest one. I think there's like 12 or 13 even, but I don't want to do it because we might be losing some data and I just don't want to do that again. So I'll leave it as is. Okay, it's finished. Everything is up to date now. I think the Django 2 point something and 3.11 should be fine with us because we actually didn't use anything fancy in Django, so we should be okay. So we're on latest Python 2.8. Let's now run the server and check if our website still works. So let's start the app. Okay, we can close that. Let's go to the page. Yep, we only have two endpoints, admin and GraphQL. We don't have index page. So now let's go to admin page and see if that works. Everything seems to be fine. Let's just click around maybe. This sidebar is new in the latest Django, so that's why it looks a bit different than the last time, but besides that everything is okay, I would say. Now let's go to GraphQL endpoint. I don't know what this is. Let's remove that. And yeah, I think it's all good. We don't have anything there as well, so but we can actually try to run the query. Yeah, debug, for example, it's just, it won't return anything, but at least let's say duration as well, but we can just check if it works. It works fine. Not sure if you have anything else. I don't know. Let's try schema types. Not sure if it's an object or not. Yeah, Okay, so these are all the types we have at the moment, but in next video we'll actually start adding our own queries. So for example, we can pull players or something, and there are actually two ways in Django you can do it. There's the longer way and the shorter way. The shorter way is by using Graphene Django, which makes things much easier and automates things. But we'll start with the longer one to show you how everything works, how you create object types, fields, and this kind of stuff. So I guess stay tuned, and the next video is coming shortly. There is one more thing I forgot to check after upgrading Django, if there are some migrations needed, some new migrations. So I guess we can just quickly open up the terminal and check it out. So what we want to do is, maybe we want to do make new migrations first. Docker compose. Now we can run, remove app, and make migrations command. Something's changed, but it's our own app. But let's leave it, and now let's run the migrate command to see if maybe anything else has changed. Yep, you can see the auth, the Django built-in authentication changed. There is 1, 2, 3 new migrations there. So I think now we're good, and we can carry on with the new video.